Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. Luckily it is wintertime here and we're not getting any crazy mosquitoes yet. The rain barrels my wife bought is open, so going to be a problem. There is also an 1.25 inch overflow. Probably needs some mesh. Let's do some research and see what's out there. I need something that looks like this because the pipe coming out of the rain barrel is smooth and not threaded. Also going to see what kind of mosquito mesh netting they have. Let's go pick those up. We are back from Home Depot with these three. This one is too small. This one fits a little too loose. I really wanted one of these to work because the metal teeth in here will hold it in place. But we're gonna go with one without anything in there, and we will silicone that. Hopefully it holds. Let's go back to Home Depot to get another one of these and return these two. Change of plans. I am skipping all of the adapters and going with having a hose just really fit nice and snug. The drain will eventually be here and over here with a nice dry creek bed. Let's head inside and work on the mosquito net and covering. I got the window screen bug netting on there with some silicone. Going to let it dry. I also put a little piece in the overflow because I am leaving that open and only connecting a hose when it does rain. Video 101 done.